Broadcast. Oh, baby! Bang! I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday. So much for Turnaround Tuesday. No soup for us. March 22nd, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. Well, Libya situation abating. Allies backing off bickering. Russia fighting. China saying no. India saying no. 6 planes up in the air. I'm happy with that. So, oil selling off here a little bit. Stock market pretty much couldn't really rally, but didn't really sell off hard. Could be a short-term top. We'll talk about that in a bit. But economic numbers that came out, we had a bunch of them. But to me, the big one was El Cable. What a number. What a disappointment. Yeah, it went up. Yeah, we made money in it, but still. Come on. Headline CPI up 4.4%. Estimate was for 4.2. Previous was 4%. That's a 10% jump. Big. Core, 3.3. Same thing. Bigger percentage jump from 3% to 3.4. And cable held the line. We're up a little bit, but that's nothing for El Cable. Euro sterling working to the downside. Love it. That's a blue horseshoe call. They're going to have to raise rates. This is just too rampant. According to the MPC, inflation should be coming down now. And it's not. Oil working its way through. Commodity prices too. Food. Public sector borrowing up $10.3 billion. That's good for growth later. So all the inflation numbers much higher. CBI, industrial order expectations at 5. Estimate was for -5. Hot. Canadian retail sales weaker. You bought that pullback in Dollar Canada, you do well. Bet. Check out my buy price. We were right there, baby. Bad number. Core retail sales, a donut, 0. Nada, up 0.8. Leading index, a little bit better, 0.8, but headline, retail sales, negative. What's up with you people in Labatz? You guys can't buy stuff? Come on, your economy's doing great. Oil's going up, gold. Come on, get going. I still think this Dollar Canada turned. We're going to 102. Tough currency, huh? You got to pick your spots. U.S. Richmond Fed at 20. Estimate was for 23. House price index falling 0.3. Should have been down 0.2. Revision lower. I'll tell you, this euro definitely looks like it reversed a little bit here. Tonight, good numbers. New Zealand current account coming at 5:45 p.m. Eastern. That's the only numbers we have in Asia. MPC minutes. I got to tell you, this changes things a little bit. From what I've read, the MPC has thought inflation would start to downtick now, and it ratcheted up. This means nothing. This is old news. Mortgage approvals, 29,000 estimate. Eurozone industrial new orders supposed to be up 1.4%. Budget released out of London. Look for defense spending cuts, possibly. That won't be good, but it might be good for the pound. Belgian business climate, 10 a.m. Eastern, 5.1 versus 5.8. U.S. new home sales supposed to be at 291,000. Crude inventory is supposed to be up 2 million barrels. Consumer confidence, Eurozone, 11 a.m. Late number. Supposed to be down 11. Bernanke speaking. Who cares what he has to say? He sucks. He has no clue. So that's pretty much it. We have a dollar index you're looking at right now for the last 5 minutes. I'm sorry. But we have a dollar index here that could have hammered. Maybe. didn't really have the kind of woof, big whoosh down, hammer up. So I'm not so convinced. Is the euro closing weak? Yes. Did it reverse? Well, we look at the chart. Yes. But when we look across the landscape, do we really see reversals all over the place? I don't really. I see an Aussie dollar that looks good. Sure, I lost money in this thing today. Made up for it in New Zealand, but still. Trying to break out here. Look at this rally. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Enough. Tomorrow's the day, baby. I definitely am. I want to be short this sucker. I am. I'm also long New Zealand, though. Hedge. Kiwi looks good. Trying to break out. And that Aussie Kiwi. Look at this thing. I like it. To the downside. Sorry, hang on. Aussie Kiwi definitely reversed a little bit. Tried to bust out here, trying. Obviously, if we close above here, 137.40, it's gone. But I think we roll over. I think the New Zealand dollar should outperform a little bit. This thing's a little toppy. It looks good, but I still see a pullback down here first. Maybe even a pullback down to 129. Historically, this thing is way high. That's only 3 years. But we take a look at a chart like this, I think commodity currencies underperform. Sterling outperforms. Look at that. Perfect pullback. Oh, baby. Blue Horseshoe loves this chart, people. Bang! 50% retracement as long as we don't take out this whole 160, 70 level. This is good. I think this baby goes back up to 163 tonight. Aussie underperforms. It's overbought. Look at this Aussie. Come on. Well, even you could do a fib from here, and that's a big pullback. But I just think this level. Listen, we can't get above 102, right? Just can't get there. We close above 102, I'll be the biggest bull in the Aussie. But until then, no freaking way. And this dollar Canada, retail sales bad. Double bottom here. Bada bing, bada bang. Bought the pullback. That was an easy trade today. I think we go back up to 98.50 for sure. It's only 50 pips. But still, like I said, the worm has turned, in my opinion. And another one. We held the retracement. Just about. You got your line in the sand. I thought we held it. Guess I was wrong. Hang on. Well, it's loony. That's all I could tell you. I still like it. I still think the whole worm has turned. It will be crucial to see how we close above 98.50. I think we do tomorrow. Again, the stock market to me is coming to a top. Stock market to me is not going to take out this downtrend channel line. The S&P, we're not going to get through this whole 1310 level. No way. Close above 1320, I'll capitulate. But I'm going to give it that $10. We might pop up tomorrow. We might even come in and rally. But I don't think this downtrend channel line gets broken. No way. Not on my watch. Dollar Swiss. Another one. It's not over. And especially if I'm right about the stock market and we come in tomorrow, you get a little, sell-off, little rally in the Euro Swiss. You might get a little pop in this thing. Get short around 91, 91.20. I don't know if it's going to get that high, but certainly maybe around the 10 exponential, 91. Love it on a spike. And again, the sterling dollar looks very, very good. And Euro sterling, another one. Oh, baby. Talk to me. Love it. Oh, easy. 81, 86.20. Easy. That's only 50 pips. That's all. You do Fibonacci, and you're talking a lot more. Bang. And with those kind of hot numbers coming out of London, this cable is gone. Gone. Like the wind. 86. 85.50, easy. Don't leave your wingman. And if I'm right about the pound, and we do outperform in the pound, you'll see pound Aussie, pound dollar, euro sterling come in. And even this pound Swiss maybe. It's already bounced a lot. But certainly 49 should be an easy trade tonight. We got a downtrend channel line. Things been rallying for days. Easy 49. And again, big resistance here. So maybe reverse. And I do think the stock market does reverse. And I love this Euro Swiss short. I love Andy Bush. I don't know if you follow Andy Bush. He said to short it here. Good call, Andy. Nice. Oh, baby. So it should be a very interesting night. I think the numbers come center stage now. I think there's going to be more talk at the MPC, out of Europe, about London and their high inflation rate and the economic numbers that have been better, and that London is turning the corner. They're going to have to raise rates. I think that is the theme. Pound yen, even. Pound Aussie. I'm not long pound yen, but because dollar yen's coming in. I'm short euro yen, though. I think euro sterling comes in beautiful. I think commodity currencies lighten up. Libya's situation seems to be abating. Obama backed off. They're just flying 6 planes at a time. Japan's coming to an ease. So I would imagine future's probably going to be higher tonight. S&P. I still like them short, but I think they'll be up a little bit without any bad news out. And I think pound, you want to focus on the pound. The pound, the pound, the pound. Oh, baby. Team, I'll see you back at 5 o'clock. I'm taking the full time. Oh, baby. Andrew Spanton. Global Markets Radio, the only voice you will ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Oh, baby. Blue Horseshoe loves euro sterling, pound Aussie to the moon. Euro sterling down, pound Aussie to the moon. Bye-bye.